Hey there, I'm Vicki Howell, founder and stitcher-in-chief of Yarn-Yay, and it is our 4th anniversary, and do we have a box to celebrate? All right, let's see what's inside. First up, let's talk yarn. So every year we team up with a great indie company to create a special colorway to help us celebrate another trip around the sun. This year, that is a plucky knitter, and they have created our own shade called Yarn-Yay Birthday. This is in their Primo yarn, which is superwash merino and cashmere, because why not celebrate with cashmere? And they made 2 variations of Yarn-Yay Birthday, one inspired by confetti and one by streamers. And you'll get one of them as a surprise in your May box. All right, so let's talk projects. We've got this beautiful cashmere merino yarn. What are we gonna make? Well, it is warmer weather, so why not a really lightweight, beautiful project? This one is for our knitters. It's designed by our designer in residence, Julia Medill. It is worked tip to tip in this really great ladder stitch, but also with an I-cord edging for super fans. You can wear it as a bandana, you can wear it as a headscarf, you can wear it around your wrist as a cool wristlet, you can add it to your bag, you do you. Or you could add another hank, which we will tell you what to do. In about a week, we'll release some more stock, and you can make a larger shawl. All right, for our crocheters, I designed the piece. It's also a kerchief. This one, we're seaming together like a cowl. It's made in 2 pieces, seamed together, and then optional fancy embroidery. Super easy way to make it your own. And if you would like to make a larger version, you can order an additional hank of yarn. We will have just a wee bit extra of this exclusive colorway, and you can make a really great long drapey piece. So super fun. Next up, we love to organize around here, and so we're always looking for different places to put our notions. This month we had special hot aqua felt trays made. They fold up or they lay flat. If you want to store them inside of a drawer, these are really great for if you're working on a beading project and you just need to, have a place to wrangle your beads, or put buttons in, or tapestry needles so it doesn't roll off a table. Really handy and a pop of color for any table or desk. For our 4th anniversary, we wanted to include something that was sort of traditional gifts for that year, which is flowers. And as much as I would love to be able to send each and every one of you a bouquet, not that realistic for a monthly box. So instead, I teamed up with another wonderful woman-owned small business called Sew the Magic to bring you some beautiful packets of seeds. So you'll get one of these. It'll be a surprise which one. They have amazing tarot-inspired art, and they either hold seeds for poppy star, purple clover, or sunflower seeds. And to carry on the celebratory flower theme, I asked Yarn-Yay's own Becky Joyner to draw us up some flowers for a commemorative project bag. We like to do something that's sort of, that you can keep every year to join along in the celebration. So you'll get this lovely cotton bag. It's great for a medium to large project, and it has one-of-a-kind illustration on it. All right, so that is all of the goodies in our amazing 4th anniversary box. One more thing though that's not in the box, but you get just for subscribing, that is every single person that subscribes to our May box will be automatically entered to win one of 4 amazing prizes worth up to $240 each. So be sure to subscribe and tell a friend and do a little happy dance and celebrate at home, but don't forget to stop at yarnyay.com.